If you want to stay organized, if you like to stay organized, if you're trying to get organized, you need a label maker. I've used several label makers, and this is the best all around. It's really easy. It's easy to use. It's very simple. It takes regular batteries. You don't have to charge it. You don't have to keep up with the charger. None of that crap. We've printed hundreds and hundreds with this one, and it's still running strong on 4 batteries. You can get several styles of labels. You can get clear, white, glitter, perhaps. It's a great all-around label maker. It's not very expensive. It gets the job done. And here's the deal. Once you put a label on, what goes there goes there. It's no longer debatable. You're catching what I'm putting down. You reading between the lines. Are you reading the lines on the label? Because they spell out precise precisions of exactly what goes in the box. What goes in that box? Good.